Hi friends, uh, in this video we will see how to repair a broken Wingsung 233 fountain pen. Uh, this is the pen we received, and one hero pen is also there. For that we will come later. Hope we need to change the nib for the hero pen. And now let us see what happened to, oh god, it is totally broken. Oh, and we need to take the nib unit, that section area, out of the cap. Let me use the deep nose player and pull it. Okay, nib unit came. Normally this window will be there here, so it will be holding giving a grip in the cap. So we need to fix this area and fix this part. I have taken a 220 grit emery sheet, and this is available in all hardware stores. Number is 220. I have taken this plastic part. Just I am rubbing, keeping the holding this rubber sock portion perpendicular to the emery sheet, and place this emery sheet in a exactly flat surface. This is a glass table, so this will be exactly perpendicular, and just rub it. So the debris should go and the face should become flat. The cracked parts and all, don't apply more pressure. It will take 2 more minutes, but don't apply more pressure. Hold the portion very perpendicular to the surface. Till the surface become uniform, you need to do this. I can see this portion has become slightly taper on holding, so let me remove the excess portion, taper portion. So now the surface has become very flat, and check with the pen, it is perfectly holding. And now we need to glue this with the window. Luckily the window has not broken, so let us glue with this one. If you see the section and this portion, this window and this rubber sock unit should be like this, but this feeder is not enough to go inside. This is holding here, but we need to fill some material to hold this part. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take an aluminum foil container, and I'm going to make a small holding element. Let me take my scissor and cut this one. And I am taking a flat portion. With this aluminum foil, let me create a small tube kind of thing, and let me insert there. Just I am rolling this. So this is the diameter. I need to glue this one. I am taking the tape and just holding it in position so that the diameter perfectly enters here like this. Now I am going to glue it. I am going to use araldite. There is part A and part B. Let me take little bit of part A. And part B. Let me mix it thoroughly with the stick. Within 5 minutes this will harden. This is a quick drying araldite. So with the prepared one, let me apply internally. I prepared a smaller brush kind of thing to apply on the OD also. This we need to quickly do, or else the glue will dry. Now apply the glue inside this aluminum foil. And insert. Okay, let it dry for some time. Though the thickness of the aluminum foil is very less, if we apply that glue, it will become like stone, and the stiffness of the aluminum foil will also become stronger. So let it dry for 5 minutes and then we will continue. Similarly, apply the glue on the surface of this cap. Be careful while the application. If it sits in the thread, and definitely it will create some problem while closing the bottom part of the pen. Just apply on the surface. And fix like this. Let it dry for some time. Now if we see, both the things got dried. The mixed one got dried well, and this also got dried well. Anyhow, again we need to give some patch up of glue, but before that let me show you how to fix this one. Just I am removing the tape. Just I am making sure this part forms a conical portion and going inside this area. So this is our goal to fix this. So now once again we need to apply glue in this area to have some leak proof barrel, and we need to apply glue in this area also, where if you closely see there is a small gap. So once it is fixed, and we can hold the pen like this and we can insert the cap like this, so it will go and fit. So this is our ultimate aim. Now we will strengthen the glue. Once again we need to mix are all right, and we need to fix. I have taken both the part A and part B of are all right. I am mixing here, and I am using a very thin brush kind of holder. So I am going to apply very carefully. Or else what happens, the thread portion will be blocked. So we cannot fix the bottom barrel. So here also I am applying glue. Just creating a passage for the ink flow. The excess portion I have removed. Now I am fixing here. Let me apply glue in this area also. And hold for 1 minute till it sticking together. Take a knife and remove the excess glue, the thread part. This is a time consuming process, but anyhow you will get good results. But please be careful. If you apply more adhesive, and you cannot close the body. Now it has completely dried, and let us fix and see the body. Yes, it is perfectly sitting, gaps are not there, it is concentric also. And let us fix on the cap. Wow, it is working now. So the broken part has been removed and it is reworked, and we have fixed now. And let us write and see how the pen is working and how the ink is filling. We can slowly remove and see whether ink is filling or not. Now let me test with Brill ink how the filling is happening. If there is any air gap, the ink will not fill. Ink is getting filled, and we can try. Filling ink in the rubber sock is really tricky, and you need to wait for some time so that the ink is getting coming through the capillary tube. Now the capillary tube is not there, but anyhow the holes are there. Definitely good amount of ink will be filled. Now if you see, half of the rubber sack got filled, and we will keep this for 2 days, and we will absorb, see whether any leak is happening. But as of now, pen is not leaking in any joints, and whatever glue we applied, it is perfectly fitting and working very well. And let me fix the body and as well as the cap. Now Wingsung 233 is back on work. Viewers, if you have any clarifications or if you have any doubts, you can leave us in the comment section, or if you have any other ideas also for repairing pens, you can tell us. If you want to repair the pens, you can send us, and if the pen is new, and then we will not charge for that. I mean, if you have not seen any video, you are giving an opportunity for us to make a video, so we will not charge anything for the repair. The pen is writing very good. The pen is working fine. Please subscribe our channel so that you will get many pen repair videos like this. This portion, we can see a small leakage in this area. This can be corrected. This is the way we need to remove the nib. Just I am adjusting the feeder to align the nib. Even it is not coming in center, so slightly I am tilting the feeder portion. So that the nib exactly fits in the top portion. When it compresses, it will shrink the area and the leak will not happen. This pen is writing well now. We will keep this pen for a few days for observe, and we will observe whether the pen is leaking in somewhere. Now the leak was happening only in this area. So if you like this video, please click like, and please subscribe our channel for more pen videos. Thanks for watching this video, friends.